Hello everyone. Today I am at Habai Laser Manufacturing Company. It's a quite big company and they have all the machines, standard machines available in stock with them. At this company, customization is possible for the customer's requirement. For example, this machine is a customized machine with a very large bed size. The bed size is 3 meters by 1 meter. So they are well equipped to make machine as per your need. Now many people will ask what is the quality of the machine and how is the software, the operating system of the machine, how easy it is to run the software. So I will explain you both. The quality of the machine is very good. The entire structure is made on aviation grade aluminum and all the parts used are best in the industry. For example, the galvanometer, the most important thing, is from Germany. All the motors are from Japan. The self-lubricating guiding lines are from Ivan. And there is a racket bearing system for a very high accuracy positioning. So you can be rest assured the machine will work for about 10 years without any problem. Fantastic components used, very rugged machine. And coming to the software, it's quite easy. I have been using this software for the last 10 minutes and already I am quite comfortable with the software. So they have many language options. I can select the file, I can open, and if I want to change the language, there is an option for language. So there are about 200 standard language which are preloaded. So you can select like English, French or Deutsche. So a lot of language options available in this. And the software is self-explaining. It's quite easy to handle. So how do we do this? Is that I first do the homing position. You can see the machine is now going towards homing position. All the movements of slides you can see, there is no noise, very smooth movement of the slides, which shows the quality. There is no vibration of the machine. It shows the quality of the build, the machine build quality. So once the machine at homing position, I make it 0. That is, I make all the positions, the sensor positions 0, and then I bring it to the marking position. It is quite simple. The guiding light, the red guiding light, guides me to the actual marking position. Now I again make it 0. I tell the machine that is the marking position, and then I go to the preview. I exit. I go to the all preview. Here in all preview, the machine tells me about the time it takes to process. And all the offset position. I press OK, and then we can go to the execute mode. And once in execution mode, I just press the button execute, and the machine starts executing the job. So any operator with a basic knowledge can learn this machine and operate this machine quite easily. You can see there is not even a single vibration when the slides are moving. This means the quality of marking will be very high and there is no dust. All the burr is properly sucked. So quality of the marking machine, the quality of the laser printing is very high.